Hey everyone, just so you know, these Diesel 10 videos were previously on my old channel, 0 the 10th Doctor 0. Obviously I've started my new channel now, so I'm consolidating all of those videos onto here. So yeah, just so you know that I haven't stolen these videos from somebody else, they have actually been taken from my old channel. If you go to my old channel, there is actually a video already on there saying that I'm updating to this new channel. So yeah, just wanted to make this little disclaimer at the start of the video, just so there's no confusion and there's no accusations of me stealing anything. So yeah, hope you enjoy this video, and there's a link in the description at the bottom for the latest construction of this model, but there's also a playlist of all the videos for this. So yeah, enjoy guys.